If you found out Katy Perry might be the reason more women want to go to space, would you believe it? Sub now if you love wild facts that make you say, wait, what? She is not just a pop icon. Her Super Bowl performance literally inspired NASA's social media campaign. And when she rocked that space-age look in ET, Google searches for women astronauts spiked the next day. Even astronauts have shouted her out, saying her bold image helps smash stereotypes. But not everyone agrees. Some critics say turning space into pop culture just distracts from real progress. So is she inspiring women to shoot for the stars, or is it all just misfiring hype?